Welcome to the world of three-dimensional shapes. Today we will explore four fundamental 3D shapes: the sphere, cube, cylinder, and cone. These shapes are all around us in everyday life. Understanding their properties will help you recognize and work with them in mathematics and the real world. Let's begin our journey through these fascinating three-dimensional forms. A sphere is a perfectly round, three-dimensional shape where every point on its surface is the same distance from the center. Think of a basketball or a globe. Spheres have no edges, no corners, and no flat surfaces. They are completely smooth and curved. The distance from the center to any point on the surface is called the radius. Because of their shape, spheres roll smoothly in all directions. A cube is a three-dimensional shape with 6 square faces. All the squares are exactly the same size. A cube has 8 corners called vertices and 12 edges. All the angles inside a cube are 90 degrees, meaning they are perfect right angles. Examples of cubes include dice, gift boxes, and ice cubes. Cubes are very common in games and storage because of their neat, orderly shape. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with 2 identical circular bases, one on top and one on the bottom. These circular faces are connected by a smooth, curved surface. If you look at a soda can or a pipe, you are seeing a cylinder. Cylinders have 2 circular edges where the curved surface meets the flat faces. They have no vertices or corners. A cone is a three-dimensional shape that has one flat circular base at the bottom and comes to a point at the top called the apex or vertex. The curved surface gradually narrows as it moves from the base to the apex. Ice cream cones, traffic cones, and party hats are common examples of cones. Unlike cylinders, cones have only one circular base and 0 edges. Let us explore more about the sphere. The volume of a sphere measures how much space is inside it. The formula is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. The surface area is the total space covering the outside of the sphere. The formula is 4 times pi times the radius squared. Spheres are found everywhere: planets, stars, balls for sports, and even water droplets. Their curved shape makes them perfect for rolling and for applications in science and engineering. Let us learn more about the cube. The volume of a cube is calculated by multiplying the length of one edge by itself 3 times, written as a cubed. The surface area is found by multiplying 6 times the length of one edge squared. Cubes are very important in mathematics and architecture. You can find cubes in building blocks, dice, sugar cubes, and in the design of many buildings and boxes used for storage and packaging. Now let us look at cylinders and cones. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. The surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times the radius plus the height. For a cone, the volume is 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. The surface area is pi times the radius plus the slant height. Cylinders are used in cans, pipes, and storage containers. Cones are used in ice cream, traffic signals, and rooftops.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.